Welcome back to the homestead. This is the Frugal Gardener, and I am in the process of preparing for fall and winter gardening. This is one of the 5 areas that I am going to be gardening in this winter, but today's video is about 2 new pieces of equipment that I purchased for my winter garden last fall. I just moved in and I hadn't really had a chance to set things up properly. And so these 2 pieces of equipment are going to be game changers for me. I'll get to them in a minute, but I wanted to just show you guys. This is a common mistake that people that I help garden make. This right here is netting. This is to keep out the critters, keep out the deer, keep out the bugs, and it's fine, but doesn't do anything for the cold. This is frost cloth. The material is different. You can see it close up. When I open this up, I just brought this. This is new. I'll be using this in the garden on the lower level this fall, but I wanted to point that out because the frost cloth obviously keeps out some of the cold. It's not the end all, but it will help keep out some of the cold, whereas the netting just keeps out the bugs. So I wanted to bring that point out to you guys this morning. Here's my part of my wood pile that the frugal family, the frugal daughter, the frugal son-in-law took care of for me when they were here over the holidays. This is part of my problem. I'm about to show you my solution. This is polycarbonate that has seen better days. I cannot use this. Well, I can, but it won't be very effective if I use this because it's like 6 or 7 years old now. So I've come up with these 2 guys. This is going to make a huge difference in my garden this winter. I am showing you this cold frame, which is the first time for me. I've never used it. I just took it out of the box. You can see that I hadn't done anything with it yet. This is polycarbonate, these sheets here. This is something I'm excited about because this goes directly over the plants that are in the ground. And it has 2 sides you can lift up and let in air, let in rain. And well, the sun already gets in. This is almost 40 inches long, 40 inches wide, and it's 19 inches high. So I'll be planting stuff like cabbage and maybe carrots and spinach, things like that. Like I said, that will be direct sowed into the ground. And this is something that I'm going to be putting together. And I'm going to do a follow-up video so you guys will be able to see where I put it, what it looks like, how it functions, and also what I'm planting. So before I go to the main attraction over here, I wanted to show you what I've done over here. This, if you are familiar with my channel, you know that I use these to garden in, and I've been very successful. Not as successful as I like since I've been here, but I've been using these for years, and uh, they're aligned with loincloth, and it works out well. I just got finished uh, adding nutrients, adding soil, adding compost, and actually planting. This area here is going to be all cabbage, collard greens. The area behind me, which I haven't even started working on yet, it's down this way. It's going to be cabbage. The area I just showed you guys is going to be carrots. The raised garden I just came from are going to be carrots, and one is going to be miscellaneous. But as promised, this is something that I'm really, really excited about. This is my new mini greenhouse. That is going to replace this greenhouse here with the polycarbonate pieces. If I can get this out, I'm going to one hand this. Here it is. Wish I had some help here. This is the carrying case. Probably should have opened this first, but this will give you an idea of what it would look like if you choose to pick one of these up. I'll give you a little information on this. This is the portable mini greenhouse. This bad boy is almost 100 inches long. It's 98 inches long, 49 inches wide, and 53 inches tall. So basically, that's going to be, I am more than likely going to put it over here. Why? Well, for obvious reasons. This is where the sun is. And yes, it's going to move over this way towards the winter, which is going to put it in a direct path. And I will get sun all day long, even in the winter. It will start out over here and come over this way. And in the late afternoon, it'll be over this way. So I just have to move these, clean this area up. 98 inches, almost 100 inches. So that's plenty of space. This will fit in here nicely, and it'll be up to about this high. So this will be a perfect area for it. Right here is my Jamaican sorrel. This is my first year growing this, and so far no sorrel, just leaves. But yeah, that is going to be areas 3 and 4. This, I'm just trying to kill the weeds. But over here is where the cold frame is probably going to go. As I said a few minutes ago, the cold frame is actually, to be precise, 39 inches long, 39 inches wide, and again, like I said, 19 inches high. This area has to be worked. Last winter, this was red Russian kale. This is longer than 40 inches, so I'll probably break this up and make this into 2 garden spaces. And over here is area 5, which also needs work, but I'm going to get on that, well, as soon as this video is over. This has to be covered. These T-posts, I believe these are 4-foot T-posts that I originally used over where the chickens were, and I had to go with 6-foot, 7-foot posts. So I took these out, and you guys know I don't throw stuff away, so excuse me, I will be posting those around here, similar to like this one is. And this is going to be covered with part of this, or either something like this. This is a greenhouse material that I brought last year, and I'm kind of airing it out and cleaning it out. But at any rate, I wanted to show you guys my new additions. I wanted to show you what I am going to be using, because people don't like to garden in the winter. I get it, but this is fall and winter. So if you don't like gardening in the winter, you can still garden in the fall. And save yourself some money, get some exercise. The basic bottom line to this is that when the cold comes, when the snow, here's some potatoes, the snow, the rain, the sleet, the hail, whatever it is, these two new additions to my garden will protect my plants. The um, mini greenhouse will have items in containers like this, but the brand new cold frame, the plants will be in the ground, so from where I just showed you. So in the next video, I'm going to do a follow-up, and you'll see all this stuff put together, and you'll see where exactly it went. And like I said earlier, when I'm going to be planting in it, and I will be posting videos throughout the fall and winter, so you can check on my progress. That is it. I hope you guys subscribe. I hope you like this video. Repost it, tell your friends, because a lot of people are packing up now. It's September, but not me. I'm just getting started on the new season, and I hope that you'll stay with me step by step. I'm the Frugal Gardener, and remember, when you grow your own food, you'll always know where it comes from. Catch you in a few days on the next video.